Want to order fresh meal kits delivered right to your door? In this video, I'll show you how to order weekly meals on HelloFresh using your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Search for HelloFresh and install the app if you haven't already. Once the installation is complete, open the HelloFresh app. Now, tap Sign Up to create an account. Next, enter your area zip code and tap Next. Now, select the number of people who will be eating. Next, choose a meal plan that fits your household size and dietary preferences. You can then browse the available meals for the week. Tap on any meal to view its ingredients, nutritional information, and cooking instructions. Once you've found meals you'd like to receive, add them to your weekly order. You can select multiple meals depending on your plan. After selecting your meals, create your account using your Apple ID, Google account, or email address and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, enter your name, delivery address, and phone number. After filling out all the required details, tap Next. Now, enter your delivery preferences and delivery instructions, then tap the Continue button. Next, enter your payment information or select a saved payment method. Review your order summary, then tap Place Order. Once your order is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message and can track your upcoming deliveries from the app. And that's it.